So you're welcome back. So I'm going to be talking about Forex influencers, especially the ones on Twitter. Now, if you catch anybody that is working so hard to become a Forex influencer, then it's very obvious that they're not making money. Because I'm going to tell you what it takes to make money as a trader and how focused you can be. And how after the whole focus as being a trader, I don't even think you have that time to be chasing other Forex influencing bullshit. Yes. As a trader, the only thing I know that you can get additional is going to be maybe a YouTube channel whereby you are not compelled to do things like under duress. You post when you want to post and you make your videos and give it an editor to edit it the way you like. That's how you know someone is profitable. Now, a profitable trader is so busy getting 1% better every day in his craft. Every single day in his craft, he's getting 1% better. What do I mean by 1% better? He's making sure he's understanding the market better, understanding his edge better, understanding times when he would not sell, times when he will not buy, times when he would stay away from the market, times when he should be adding positions, scaling in. Should be learning all those deep things about his edge. That's what you should be learning. Now, even if you're 5 years in the game, many of them that are 5 years, 6 years, that are profitable, they don't just come to the desk and trade every day and leave. They have a 1 hour at least whereby they sit and study. They do that every single time. Yes. Of course, they do that every single time. A 1 hour whereby they sit and study. They do that. So you that do not sit, do not study, you just claim to trade. You take all your whole time on Twitter because you have been given affiliate badge. So you have to post every day under duress. So this is how you know people are not profitable, because you see them, they are always on Twitter, always on spaces, always trolling people on Twitter. Always. They are not having that time to trade. Even on a London session or a New York session where people are supposed to be trading, you're supposed to be doing what you do best as a trader. These guys are on Twitter doing giveaway, sponsored giveaway posts by their prop firms, doing all they can, because see, their prop firms are paying them as affiliates when they bring clients. So because this is how they feed from, they are more serious with it than trading, because they're not profitable, they don't make money from their trading. So they feed from this by what? Doing this affiliate thing. So the more they post, the more people try to sign up with their link and everything, that's the more they get cash. The more they try to sell their signals and their courses and their mentorship, and that's how they get clients. And you see them, they are more agitated on Twitter. Like, that is what they are on Twitter for. Mentorship, course, sharing PT stories and all that stuff over and over and over and over again. That's what they are on Twitter for. That's what they are on Twitter for. So you see them very agitated, hardworking. That shows you that they are not trading. Because all the real traders I know, they don't care about mentorship. They might have mentees, but these mentees came and met them and said, please teach me. So they are not all that doing too much ads. They are not all there doing too many things. I'm telling you this whole thing, you have to be very careful. Because it's not everybody you see online that has a high follower and a profit badge that is profitable. Okay, it has a profit badge is profitable. That is a lie. Prophet met them because they have a high number of people in their audience. So Prophet met them and said, okay, we would like to do business with you. And then we would like to do business with you. And they accepted the offer. And that's exactly how they said doing the affiliates for the prop firm. It's very simple. Prop firm will meet you if you have an audience. They don't care if you are profitable or not. And they'll still give them some free accounts in it. And some of them can still meet these prop firms and say, for us to get more clients and let these people believe in you, you have to arrange a fake payout for me. A fake payout graphic. So they'll post these payouts. And you think it's a lie. All these are the dark things that happen in the industry. So a Forex influencer can't be profitable because he doesn't have that time that it takes to put in the work to be profitable. He doesn't have that time. I'm telling you this thing. Trading is stressful. I don't mean you sit on your laptop all day. Yes, I know that's what you say. Okay, do you mean we have to sit on our laptop all day because we're traders? No, you have your special time for trading. Yes, sure, I know. But that special time for trading, you like to be very tapped in, very focused, no distractions. And after that trading session, you want to go about other things like going to the gym. You want to go about other things like taking care of your family and, you know, communicating with your loved ones, you know, having a good time, refreshing. Even if you're online, you find out that you want to be more relaxed and scroll and just enjoy it, because you know that when it's time for trading, you're there. And then you have another time when you study and get better and learn about the financial markets, or check all your other assets and other businesses. But you see, that whole time to spend online doing affiliates for prop firm, for how much? You would never want to do that. Imagine that you're getting payouts of $10K, $20K, you're profitable. So you will now start to struggle for prop firms that pay $100 as affiliates. So you can catch them. Or you start to struggle for mentorship, and the mentorship is how much? You're like very agitated talking about mentorship every time for $200, for $300, and you post 400K in profit. And they post 400K in profit, 500K in profit, $1 million in profit. Like, can you see what I'm trying to? Can you see what I'm trying to say? Does it match? It does not match. It does not match. And if they want to tell me that, okay, they are having a lot of audience, so by the time you pay them $200, yo, even if 100 people pay $200, that would be like how much? But I'm still telling you that even at that would be like 20K, right? 20K does cannot, I'll say it again, cannot still make okay, fine, it can give them the lifestyle that will make them still catch more and more people. But I'm saying that no matter how you do this thing, you cannot be very profitable and still be very, very active in your affiliate marketing on Twitter and your no. You don't have that time. If you do anything else, it will be more like YouTube. Try to, you know, make videos on YouTube. That'll be more convenient than the rest of them. So that's on you. So when you're choosing your mentor, you have to be smart. See you in the next video. Click on the link on the description. Look at the academy. It's our free channel. See videos, only value. You're seeing value there. You're not seeing any affiliate rubbish. I'm not affiliated with any prop firm, and I don't want to. I don't feel like I don't want to, because I have my own brand, and I'm taking my brand too seriously. So why am I being an affiliate for them? Like, is that how desperate I am for money? I make money from a fucking chat. So I don't need anybody's money, right? So that channel is free. Videos, breakdown videos is there. Signals are there. Trade ideas are there. Now, when it comes to private coaching, it can't be free, because that's my fucking time. If I'm going to give you my time to mentor you, then you have to pay. I'm sorry. It's my time. If I want to teach everybody free, then I'll have like 5,000 students. Because everybody wants free thing, is it not? I have like 5,000 students, and imagine teaching 5,000 people and not taking money. If you can do it, then go and start your mentorship. See you in the next video. Peace out.